iga abantu bali konya bakonya kuminyoka umuntu agocha ogenda okora matatu gari ocho sign biashara bine mbiyo aigo lazima emashini eroro bosi bwago ekomanye emanye na wasoire naende gokwenda range ogende mashini ekorole naende sana ne korole kwirana naende ekorole naende chinsa ikomnemu ekorole kera kwenda be prepared for that. Igonya abantu bali batataite gokora gasi nga bataite kwimo kurwega ojo sign ogenda ralia migoli ochikonie emesi biashara byakorere byelire ekero kugenda iskuras mimanyika nengasi ko cyokora. And we are going to do this even at the sub county level because abantu abange mbali okora gasi abananchi mumanyita abantu umuntu no chinsi ya gasi mekete boya na cyakoni karo mokoli gasi we county yendo kyo mwele nda totanga tutaite twakire fao mbya muno mashini batu bekile labo batu leo serigalia ne labo igoja gotoro kya malimaito ngakiali investors bakuru no ebale ngumbu na amatukonga amatukali umontange ngumbu aho tomachibesa woche simumro mwabo ko stato mwabo olia umongaina nge building ye neighbor nere yagachire biashara ebyo senya sai ka wanje wikomwa ko muye byakorere byelire ekiagre system fao yatoire ekoro kikiro bolemo ngikegendere toro igono ya investors se bagocha kwanza ko kolegasi yabo koleta chibesa aiga without batabwati wo babonde bwensi. Because the lab, I want to thank again the FAO team. You don't know how it will help our people. Most of our people from the US used to send money here. Their parents, their brothers, then they decide to pick pictures. They take pictures of the neighbors' constructions, whereas he has been sent around 10 million. By the time the guy comes to the country, they collapse and die because they have spent every money. They have saved. And it has been eaten in the country here. It will be a thing of the past. Nataka niachie hapo, niwashukuru. Asanteni sana wafanyakazi, asanteni kwa kukuja. Nitawaruhusu muende mle lunch kwa sababu nimeona watu wa fisheries. Sasa wewe bwana fisheries. Nimekuona, asante bwana Muga kwa kuwa hapa. Nimeona mtu wa is it ana kocha mani Guardian kutoka Nyamira. Nimekuona. Salimia watu wa Nyamira, waambie sisi tumeanza. Hii stadium yetu, waambie tutamaliza hiyo nyingine tunaanza. Actually we want to see if we can get land in Kwako. Marani kama tunakuwa na eka kadhaa before we finish 10 years. Lazima tukuwe na stadium huko. Kwa sababu tutakuwa na ile ya Ugembo, tutakuwa na ya Nyamache, tutakuwa na ya Kesabako na Nyamarambe. Itakuwa huko. Kwa hivyo nataka niachie hapo, niwashukuru, Mungu awabariki, tuendelee kufanya kazi kwa wananchi wetu. Asanteni sana.